Hello everyone, today we're checking out the Hygger Elite Titanium Aquarium Heater, and this is the HG260 50 watts version. This was sent to me by Hygger for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. Let's go ahead and unbox it. First inside the box is your user's manual. Here's the main heater rod. This heater uses Ta2 titanium alloy with a Teflon coating, which means it's corrosion resistant and doesn't get that nasty scale buildup over time. Here's the separate temperature probe. So here's the controller. Right here in the front, you've got the 3-digit digital display. The top number shows your current water temperature and the bottom number shows your set temperature. When the heater is actively heating, you'll see the little red indicator light turn on. When it reaches the target temperature, it switches to green, meaning it's just maintaining. You can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, and if your thermometer doesn't match, you can manually calibrate it using the adjustment button. Setup is very simple. It comes with suction cups, so you just mount the heater and the temperature probe inside the tank. In terms of performance, this thing heats fast. The temperature accuracy is rated at ±2 degrees Fahrenheit, and in my tank it's been pretty consistent. It also has overheat protection and leakage protections, so if something goes wrong, like the water gets too hot, it shuts off automatically and shows an error code. That's huge for a peace of mind. I'm in Los Angeles area, so our weather rarely drops below the low 40s. Because of that, this heater doesn't have to fight extreme cold, and it holds the temperature really well. The controller makes it easy to glance over and confirm everything is stable. One thing I wish this heater had is a built-in probe. The separate sensor works fine, but it does add another wire to the setup. I prefer cleaner cable management, so having the probe integrated into the heater like some other models would definitely reduce clutter. Other than that, the heater itself is reliable and simple for the price. At the end of the day, this Hygger heater does exactly what it's supposed to do. It heats fast, it stays consistent, and the controller makes it easy to monitor everything at a glance. Living here in the Los Angeles area, where temperature rarely drops below the low 40s, it has no problem keeping my tank stable. For the price, it's solid. A straightforward heater with good safety features and clean digital display. If you're looking for reliable without spending a ton, this one is definitely worth considering. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.